Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Costa, if you did not know that already. So today's video is going to be a makeup look tutorial on this little dime piece right here. This is inspired by Dua Lipa's 2020 Grammy Awards makeup that she had on. And I think I got it as close as possible to what hers looked like. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how to make this look, just keep on watching. All right, so I have my eyebrows already done. Now I'm going to prime my eyelids with this Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer. And for this look, I'm gonna be using the So Jaded Kathleen Lights and ColourPop palettes. And I'm gonna go in with the shade My Precious to set my eyeshadow primer. So Dua Lipa's whole look is pretty much blue. So I'm not gonna go in with like a brown transition shade. Instead, I'm going to use the shade, what is this? Turquoise. And I'm going to put that normally where I would have my transition shade, but this is going to, I guess, kind of like act like the transition shade. And I'm just going to dab that in because I don't want it too pigmented. And the eye look is going in like an arrow shape, not rounded. So I'm going to bring this out a bit. Then I'm gonna wipe off the brush that I was using and kind of blend that higher up to the eyebrows. All right, so I think that is as high I'm gonna go with that color. So now I'm gonna go in with like a packing brush and I'm gonna use the shade Sapphire. And I'm really gonna go in with that shade and just apply it all over the eyelid. Now I'm gonna take that blending brush and try to blend that shade upwards into that transition color. And I would keep blending, or not blending, I would keep packing in that sapphire color until you get the desired look. So probably a few times. The blue that she has on her eyes is definitely a bit more brighter blue. But right now I'm just using the colors that I have available to me. So this is what it should be looking like thus far. I know, still looking crazy, but it's going to get there. So in her look, it does have some shimmer, more focus into like the inner parts of the eye, but I can tell it does kind of spread out. So I'm going to use the shade Aquamarine, and I'm going to kind of dust that on the center. I'm also going to kind of lightly tap it on the outside. See, this is why I don't wear foundation when I do my eyeshadow, because I'm feeling like fallout from that shade. Like, come on, look at that fallout. I would be pissed if I had foundation on. Now I do want a little bit more shine. I'm gonna see if the shade Diamond will show up on top of that aquamarine color. All right, so that's mostly it for the top shade. Now I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then work on the bottom eyelid shadow. All right, so I have finished the rest of my makeup now. Now I'm going to do the under eyes. Using a packing brush, I'm gonna go in the shade Turquoise, and I'm gonna put that all over my under eyes. And after wiping the packing brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Sapphire, that dark blue shade. And I'm gonna put that on the outer under eye. And again, with the same brush, I'm gonna take that shimmer shade, that Aquamarine, and tap off the excess as much as possible because I don't want it going on my face makeup. Going to apply that on the inner part of my lower lid. And with a short little brush like this, I'm going to take the shade Pearl and put that in my inner corners. And I'm going to spread that out a little bit, kind of getting it into the top part of my eye. So that's it for the eyeshadow makeup. This is what it should look like now. Very simple if you think about it. Like, it's really only using like what, 3 or 4 colors. And now I'm going to put on my mascara, which I am just using this Trustique Good Vibes mascara. All right, so that is it for this eye look. And that is my take on the Dua Lipa 2020 Grammys makeup look. I think I got fairly close. I think spreading around that like navy blue, sapphire blue color really helped the look a lot, but I really like this. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I post videos every Wednesday around 2 p.m. So if you want to see more videos from me, hit that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. And also, if you recreate this look, even though it's a Grammys look and not my own, it's just inspired by Dua Lipa's, please tag me. And also, if you have any suggestions on a makeup look that you want, just go ahead and give me a tag. My Instagram is makeup and meds, and my Twitter is, I'll have it down below. It's DETXSCCOSTA, if you can remember that, but it'll be right below me. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.